If you're wondering how to segment your email list for better results and you want a simple, no-fluff guide that actually works, stay with me. I've tested the most popular email tools out there, and I'll walk you through the exact steps to segment your list fast, using software that you can try for free, exclusive to viewers of this channel. Now, why does segmenting your list matter so much? Because sending the same email to everyone is like handing out the same business card at a wedding and a job interview. It doesn't work. Segmenting your list means sending the right message to the right person at the right time. That means higher open rates, better click-throughs, and more conversions. Here's how to do it right in just a few minutes. First, you need to tag or label your subscribers based on behavior, interests, or source. For example, did they download a guide? Did they buy something? Did they click a link in a previous email? Use that info. You can usually set this up with automations inside the software we'll be using. Second, create segments based on those tags. For instance, people who bought from you once but haven't in the past 90 days. That's a re-engagement segment. People who opened 3+ emails in a row. That's a hot lead segment. New subscribers in the last 7 days. That's your onboarding segment. The key is to avoid overcomplicating it. Start with 3, 5 useful segments and build from there. Think: new subscribers, recent buyers, inactive contacts, and high engagement users. Every list, no matter how small, can benefit from this. Next, craft emails specifically for each segment. That's where the magic happens. Instead of a generic message, you're now writing as if you're speaking directly to someone's situation. Mention their last action, remind them of what they saw, or offer them something that fits their interest. It feels personal, and that's why it converts. And yes, you can automate the whole thing. Most email tools, including the one we'll use today, let you trigger different sequences based on segment behavior. That means more engagement without more work. Also, don't forget to clean your list. Remove or re-engage cold subscribers. A healthy list must deliver better deliverability and better results. The software we'll be using for this makes it really simple. You'll find an exclusive free trial just for viewers of Dan Thorne's channel in the description. Use it to follow along or set this up for your own list while you watch. Here's the key takeaway. Segmentation isn't optional anymore, it's essential. If you're still sending one-size-fits-all emails, you're leaving conversions on the table. Segmenting your email list gets you better results because you're finally talking to people like individuals, not data points. Quick recap. Tag subscribers based on behavior or interests. Build smart segments around actions, timing, or purchases. Write targeted emails for each segment. Automate where possible. Clean your list regularly, and that's how to segment your email list for better results, in less than 5 minutes. If you want to try out the same software I used, the free trial link is below. It's exclusive to this channel, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Go set it up now and see the difference for yourself.